Meditation can solve up to 60% of your mental chaos, from stress to overthinking. But only 1% of people actually stick with it long enough to see the benefits. So, are you missing out, or will you be just fine without it? Let's find out. Most people fail at meditation because they skip one thing that should come before meditating: a good night's sleep. I know it totally contradicts what those TikTok gurus say. Sleep is for losers, be an alpha. But here's the truth: if your brain is sleep deprived, it becomes foggy, reactive, and impossible to control. Meditation needs a well rested brain and not a deteriorated one, which is why you should never follow any sources debating against a good night's sleep. Now that you have got that handled, let's bust a common myth. People think meditation means sitting cross-legged with your back straight, out in the nature, on a yoga mat, chanting mantras under a tree like some yogi. But honestly, that's not what meditation is really about. Meditation is about training your brain to focus. And if your brain is just focusing on how much your back hurts, what's the point? But if you are a complete lunatic and pain is nothing to you, then go ahead. But if not, here's what I do instead. And it works. Find a position and a place that's comfortable. It can even be lying on your bed. Then close your eyes and simply listen to the sounds around you. Try to identify them, what they are, where they are coming from, and then lock your attention on that one sound for as long as you can. This way, you are not worrying about the time. You are not forcing yourself to clear your mind. You are just building the habit of concentration. Start with a few sounds, then slowly increase the number as your mental muscles grow. One sound I absolutely love is the sound of a bell. So go ahead and subscribe. Tap the bell icon and give this video a like if you're still here. Once you start doing this regularly, your brain begins to change. In a world filled with distraction, noise, and endless scrolling, this is how you train your brain to stay locked in. This is how you become truly focused, truly calm, truly alpha. Because amidst the chaos, meditation helps you create order. And when you master that, life starts to get better on every level. And if you want to get your life in order even faster, watch this video next. It will help you destroy procrastination once and for all.